Hey there! Have you ever wanted to start your own business but thought you needed months of planning or a huge budget to make it happen? Well, guess what? You don't have to wait. In today's video, we'll go over 10 easy online businesses you can start in just a weekend. That's right, just a couple of days, and you can be up and running, making money from home or wherever you are. These ideas are perfect for beginners, and many of them require little to no upfront investment. So if you're ready to turn your weekend into a business opportunity, stick around and let's get started. 10. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is one of the easiest online businesses you can start with just a laptop and an internet connection. If you enjoy writing and have a decent grasp of grammar, you can quickly start offering your services to clients who need blog posts, website copy, product descriptions, or social media content. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to find clients. You don't need any fancy certifications. Just create a portfolio, even if it's just a few sample articles you write yourself, and start bidding on jobs. As you build your portfolio and gain experience, you can raise your rates and land higher-paying gigs. Freelance writing is flexible, and once you get the hang of it, you can scale it up by offering more specialized writing services. 9. Virtual assistant services. The demand for virtual assistants, VAs, is growing fast. Small business owners, busy professionals, and entrepreneurs need help with tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, and handling social media. If you're organized and detail-oriented, becoming a virtual assistant could be a great side hustle or full-time business. You can start by offering basic services such as email management, appointment scheduling, and social media management. Over time, you can expand your services to include more specialized tasks like managing projects, conducting research, or handling customer support. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Belay are great platforms to find clients. Virtual assistants can often work from anywhere and set their own hours, making this an ideal business for anyone looking for flexibility. 8. Print on demand. Print on demand is a business model where you create custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, and sell them online. The best part, you don't need to handle any inventory or shipping. You create the design, list the product, and when someone buys it, the print-on-demand service takes care of the rest. Websites like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble make it easy to set up an online store with minimal effort. Once your designs are live, you can promote them through social media, email, or even ads. If you already have a social following, this is a quick and easy business to get started with, and it can generate passive income once the products are up and running. 7. Drop shipping. Drop shipping is another online business model that doesn't require you to hold inventory. You partner with suppliers who will ship products directly to your customers. Your job is to market the products and make sales. When someone buys, you place the order with the supplier and they ship the product for you. Starting a dropshipping business is fairly simple. You can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to set up your store and integrate it with suppliers through apps like Oberlo or Spocket. With minimal startup costs, dropshipping is a great way to test products without worrying about inventory or shipping. The key to success with dropshipping is choosing the right products and knowing how to market them. Consider researching trending items or niche products to maximize your chances of success. And remember, the real challenge comes with advertising, so be sure to get comfortable with social media marketing or paid ads. 6. Social media management. If you're a social media pro, managing social accounts for businesses could be a great online business to start. Small businesses, entrepreneurs, and even influencers need help running their social media profiles. If you know how to create engaging content, grow an audience, and track performance, you're in business. Starting is easy. Create a profile on platforms like Upwork or LinkedIn and advertise your services. You can start with small businesses and build up a client base. Once you have experience, you can offer additional services like social media strategy, paid ads, or influencer outreach. Social media management is a flexible business that you can do on your own schedule. 5. Sell digital products. Selling digital products is one of the easiest online businesses to start and can generate passive income over time. Whether it's ebooks, printables, digital art, or online courses, there's a huge demand for digital products. And once you create them, you can sell them repeatedly with little to no extra effort. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable make it easy to sell your products. For example, if you're good at graphic design, you can create digital planners, templates, or art prints. If you have a skill or expertise, consider creating a mini course or guide. Digital products don't require physical inventory, and you can reach customers worldwide with minimal overhead. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to start making money online. You promote other people's products or services and earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your referral link. It doesn't require you to create any products, and you can do it from anywhere. Start by signing up for affiliate programs from companies like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. You can promote affiliate links on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media accounts. The key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing products that align with your audience's interests and creating content around them. Once set up, affiliate marketing can become a passive income stream. 3. Transcription services. If you're a fast typist with good attention to detail, transcription services are a great business to start in a weekend. Transcription involves converting audio or video recordings into text, and businesses, podcasters, and YouTubers often need help with this. You can start by offering your services on platforms like Rev, TranscribeMe, or Fiverr. Once you gain experience and build a reputation, you can work directly with clients and even increase your rates. Transcription can be done from home and doesn't require much more than a computer and a good internet connection. It's a simple business that can be scaled up with more clients and higher rates. 2. Content creation for YouTube. Creating a YouTube channel doesn't have to require a lot of time or showing your face on camera. You can start a YouTube channel around a specific niche and create content without ever appearing on screen. You can make videos using voiceovers, animation, or screen recordings and still attract an audience. If you enjoy making content but don't want to be on camera, consider channels that focus on tutorials, gaming, educational content, or even simple entertainment. Monetize your channel through ads, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. With YouTube's huge audience, it's possible to turn content creation into a profitable online business quickly. 1. Online tutoring or coaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject or skill, you can start an online tutoring or coaching business over the weekend. Whether it's teaching a language, offering life coaching, or helping students with school subjects, the demand for online education is massive. You can use platforms like Teachable, Skillshare, or SuperProf to create and sell your courses. Alternatively, you can offer one-on-one coaching or tutoring through services like Zoom or Skype. This business allows you to set your own rates and work with clients from all over the world. With a little promotion and a great course or service, you can quickly build a client base. There you have it, 10 easy online businesses you can start in just a weekend. From freelance writing and virtual assisting to drop shipping and selling digital products, there are so many ways to start earning money from the comfort of your own home. The key is to pick something that aligns with your skills and interests, and then take action. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more business tips and ideas. And let me know in the comments which business idea you're excited to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.